morning, friends. This week we're going to be teaching you about using money, and I want to show you an easy way to count coins, plus teach you the value of each of the coins. And so this week we have a 5-cent piece right here, which is down here, and we have a 10-cent piece, which is down here, and we have a quarter, which is down here, right there. So the 5 cents has a beaver on it, the 10 cents has a schooner on it, and the 25 cents has a moose on it. My kids always called it the moose money, the boat money, and the animal money. But you can call it whatever you want. So what we're doing, I'm going to show you how to easily count the 5 cents. So on this 5 cents, I'm going to move it here, move the 10 here and 25 here. So what I do is I use one piece of hair for representing 5 cents. And for 10 cents, I would use 2 hairs because 5 plus 5 equals 10. So if 5 plus 5 equals 10 with 2 hairs, we can use how many hair pieces are in, like using the number 5. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So to make a 25-cent piece, you need 5 hair pieces. To make a 10-cent piece, you need 2 hair pieces. And for 5 cents, you need 1 piece of hair. So I want to challenge you guys this week because it's pretty important how you guys have to learn how to use your money. So what I'm going to show you here is this 5-cent piece with the beaver on it. It represents, it looks like this as a number, 5 cents. It looks like this as 0.05 is 5 cents. And the word is a nickel. Okay, so maybe you can practice the word nickel this week when you're writing in your journals. Here's your dime, which has the schooner on it. And this is your 10-cent piece. And this one is your 0.10, which is 10 cents. And this is the word dime, D-I-M-E. So if you want to write the word dime this week, you can do that. Here's your quarter with your moose money. It's worth 25 cents. And again, it's 0.25 cents. And the word is quarter. So we're going to learn these 3 coins, and that's it this week, okay? So your challenge is, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to challenge you with a chocolate bar. So what I will do is I have some chocolate bars here, and as you can see, the chocolate bar cost $1.25, and I have a Twix bar, I have a Kit Kat bar, and I have an Aero bar. Now all of these chocolate bars cost $1.25. I need you to buy the chocolate bar off of me. If you get the right amount using coins, you can have the chocolate bar this week. I will drop it off on your porch or in your mailbox this week. If your name is in a draw, so we'll put your name in a draw if you get the right number of 125. So you have to make $1.25 with your coins, and you have to tell me, so how many coins do you need to make $1.25? Take a guess. Somebody just guessed 5 quarters. Let me see if that's right. So you have 5 quarters. Okay. So 4 quarters equals $1. And then one more 25 cents equals $1.25. If you guess that, you're correct. So I'm curious to know how many different ways you can make $1.25. Can you make $1.25 like this? Would that add up to $1.25? You're correct. So if you get the answer of 125, your name's going to be put in a draw, and we'll draw out your name like we did last week, and we will deliver you the chocolate bar that you have purchased with your own, with my money, but you guys have to tell me how much I need to take to the store to buy that chocolate bar. So the challenge is on. You know what? I think, forget about the draw. Let me tell you, don't tell Miss Shackleton this, but I'm gonna let you guys, whoever answers the question with the right amount of coins, you will get a chocolate bar. Forget about the draw. Just don't tell Miss Shackleton, because she is gonna go broke if all of you guys actually have enough money and show her how to use coins to buy your chocolate bar. She might go broke, so don't tell her. But this week, we're gonna buy you all a chocolate bar if you get the number $1.25. And if you don't like chocolate bars and you still answer the question to 125, guess what you get to do? You get to tell us what kind of candy you want, as long as it's 125. So if you like licorice instead of chocolate bars, we'll buy you some licorice. But we'll talk to your parents about that. So yeah, so this week, that's your challenge. Your math challenge this week is to make 125. Show us on a piece of paper how you do it, or even bring out real money. You can even do that. Show us by a picture and send it into our email, and we'll give you another challenge next week. Okay, have a great time this week. Bye, guys.